Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how you put together your very first Fat Cat XXL. The first thing I will start off with, I will just put the rear rack in, honestly just to get it out of the way. The rear rack, there's 4 screws that hold your rear rack into place, just like this. Tools you'll be using, you can use a part tool or the tools that come with the toolkit. Everybody comes with their own toolkit, so you don't even have to look around for your tools, they're right here. Next will be your rear tail light. Pull the tab out. This is for your tail light. It goes right here and right in the back. Like so. Okay. Next you want to do is, you want to put your handlebars on. You can do the adjustments however you like. Now your handlebars are on. The next thing we're going to do is your front wheel. And with this also comes with the skewer. This skewer goes right here. And you just tighten your lever. Twist the knob and tighten the lever. You can set your kickstand. You're almost there. Alright, now, what you're going to want to fasten after your wheel is secured is your front headlight. Your front headlight already comes with the screws and the nut. Just go straight through, right through the frame. Now with this one, I like to use my other tools. Let me just fasten. These are adjustable, so you can fasten it, so you can get the last ball right in place. Next will be your pedals, your left and your right pedals. On the bottom, we'll show you on each one will be your left and your right. Don't get those confused.